Using the extra dark neutral gray PanPastels with the mini applicator is a great way to rough in your dark tones and shadows. Keeping your reference photo in mind, add the pastel to the darkest areas. This will speed up work a bit and act as a foundation for further details and layers. You can see that a little bit of debris and dust is created. You can simply blow it away. It's not something I typically advise because you can end up spitting on your work, which can create further problems. So make sure that your lips and mouth are a bit dry and blow away the dust. I'm able to control the values of the pastel by either using more pressure as I apply it to the film, or by loading up the applicator with more pastel. As you're applying the pastel to the film surface, there will be less and less on the applicator itself, allowing you to add softer tones to the film. You could also rub the applicator gently on a paper towel to remove the pastel before applying it to the film. And of course, it's easy to erase away any mistakes you make at this stage. As I look at my reference photo, I'm noticing the direction in which the fur is going and the way that the ear is folding, and that is how I'm going to apply the pastel. It's much like I would if I was holding a pencil in my hand. This helps to build up the structure of the object that you are drawing. Once you are happy with your application of the pastels, you are now ready to get into the details. This can be accomplished by using your erasers to create textures or add more highlights, or by using your pencil or loose graphite to build the layers and add definition.